Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honoured when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this.
Nice phone for a reasonable price. CPR Cell Phone Repair in Memphis provided great customer service, reasonable quote, and repair rates.
5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we will see you soon.